Triple Crew, it's ibyl, and stay tuned for my undercut design. This is how my undercut area looked right before getting it designed again. It's been about 4 weeks since my last undercut. These are pictures in the barbershop, and I actually went to a different barber, same shop but different barber, because he knew how to do the drawing or design better than who I went to last time. This is just more footage of the undercut design, and I'm going to show the picture that I showed the barber, and it's not exact, but it's a good rendition of it, so I'm still pleased with how it turned out. Let me know in the comments your thoughts about the undercut design. If you watched the Vlogmas day 18, you helped me pick out the style. So the picture on the right is the style that I gave the barber, and this is his creation. Once again, not exact, but a good rendition. Thank you for helping me choose this undercut design. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to keep it fly, keep it fabulous, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.